Hello dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. In today's lecture we will learn the use of some ifs. In our tutorial 3 we have already discussed some if. So today our focus will be on some ifs. This is also called some if with multiple conditions. Okay, let's recap the tutorial 3. Okay, again, in which we have differentiated auto sum and subtotal, and we have also learned about sum if. So we will recap. Okay, so let's see. Here is a database for a shop. This shop you can say MNS shop. MNS shop, basically this is a mobile shop where they have 6 different brands of mobile: iPhone, Vivo, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Oppo and Infinix. And this is the sale data for the last 7 months, from June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay, there are two salesmen, Ahmad and Ali, and here quantity is mentioned. This is the price column and this is the ultimate sales value. Okay, so we will learn sum if, we will recap sum if. Sum if is used, for example, I want to get know the sum of iPhone only. Okay, so what is the condition here? Condition is that I want to know the only iPhone from 6 brand. I want to know the total of iPhone only. So with one criteria, that is iPhone. Okay, I will first use sum if. Sum if. The formula asks me to select the range. Which range? Criteria range. So basically this is the range I selected. From this range, pick up the criteria. What is my criteria? My criteria is iPhone. From this criteria, pick iPhone and then give me the sum of what? Sales amount. Okay, this is the sales. I put the dollar sign to lock the range, bracket close and then enter. Here you can see the total of iPhone. If you see the formula, I have the range, that is the criteria range. Then my criteria, I want to see the total of iPhone only, and then sum range. Okay, so for the last 7 months, the total sales amount of iPhone is only 52.5 million. I change here iPhone with Vivo. So now my condition is changed. From this sum range, you can see here what is my criteria. I want to get only the sum of Vivo, so I get this. Okay, now if I change the criteria, what is my criteria? M4. Here you can see M4. I don't want to see the individual sum of different brands, but I want to see the individual sum of each month. Okay, so I will change the criteria here. Now I have changed the criteria. That is, for example, at this time is July. Where this July is in? This July is in not F but in G, column G. Okay, so from column G I will pick July and then I ask through formula that give me sum of July. Okay, so now criteria is changed from brand to month. So this is my total sales in the month of July. How much? 23.15 million. Okay, so with sum if I use only one condition. Here you can see sum if. First is use criteria range, then I use the criteria, that is this is my criteria range, this is my criteria and this is sum range. So through sum if I can use only one condition, that is at this time July or otherwise Vivo. Okay, or I can select, for example, Ahmed. If I want to see total sales made by Ahmed only, so through sum if, what I will do, okay, I will show you again, is equal to sum if I need sum if the salesman is Ahmed only. So I will select the range. The range is now the name range. Okay, I select the name range. Then in this name range, I need what? Ahmed only. So I pick Ahmed, and then the sum range. Here you can see total sales of Ahmed. Okay, that is 121 million. Okay, if you put here filter, if you put filter and select only Ahmed, you can see here the total of Ahmed is, you can see here 121.625 million. That is this amount. Okay, so through sum if we can use only one condition. Now this is a recap of tutorial 3 where we have discussed sum if. Our topic is for today topic. Our topic for today tutorial is not sum if but sum ifs. This is sum if formula with multiple condition. In sum if we use only one condition or one criteria. In sum if function we can use multiple criteria. Okay, I will show you. For example, if I ask you that give me the total of iPhone in the month of July, and that sales only constitute of sales made by Ahmed. So if I ask you three condition, I need total of sales made by Ahmed in the month of July. Then here there are three criteria. That is month should be July, brand should be iPhone, salesman should be Ahmed. Okay. So in sum if this is not possible, you can either check total for Ahmed, you can check total for either July, you can check total either for iPhone. But in sum ifs formula, it is possible to use multiple conditions or criteria. Okay. So for example, I ask that I need total sales of iPhone made by Ahmed in the month of July. So with more than one criteria, I will use sum ifs formula. So sum ifs, what I need? Sum range. I need sum from here. Okay. What is my criteria range 1? I need from brand criteria only what? Criteria 1 iPhone. From this range I need iPhone only. Then my criteria range 2 is I need month July. Where this month come? From this range. Okay, so this range 2, criteria 2 is from this month range I need only July. Then from salesman, yes, here there are two salesmen from Ahmed and Ali. Okay, from this criteria range I need only what? Ahmed. Ahmed. Okay, bracket close. Here I can say that the sales of iPhone in the month of July made by Ahmed is only 4.5 million. If I put filter here, you can see I need only iPhone in the month of July made by Ahmed. How much? 4.5. So you can verify from here that iPhone sales made by Ahmed in the month of July is only 4.5 million, because in July there are 15 mobiles sold by Ahmed at the price of 300,000. So the total sales price of iPhone in the month of July is only 4.5 million. Okay. So to use multiple condition, we can use sum ifs formula. So to summarize this, I use some if with only one condition. I use some ifs for more than one criteria or conditions. Okay. If I change now, let's suppose I use Vivo, month no August, and sales of Ali. Okay. What I do? Some ifs. I need some range. Some ranges. This I select. Then criteria range 1. What is criteria range? Brand. From this range, I need what? I need Vivo. This is criteria 1. Then from month range, this is range 2. From this, I need August. And from salesman range, this range, I need only Ali. Bracket close. You can see the total sales of Vivo in the month of August by salesman Ali is only 2.45 million. You can cross verify this from here. Put filter. I need Vivo only. Month August and salesman Ali. Ali made sales of 35 Vivo mobile at the rate of 70,000. So his total sales in the month of August is only 2.45 million. That we get through the use of some ifs formula. So in this way you can use some ifs formula. Okay. So I again want to summarize that if you need summation with only one criteria, you will use some if, but if you have multiple criteria or multiple conditions, you will use some ifs. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any query, kindly let me know through your comments on my YouTube channel in MNS Info Hub. I will try to give you a feedback in reply. Okay, please subscribe, share, like, and comment. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.